How to loop a YouTube video on mobile. Everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this video we'll talk about how easy it is to loop video on your mobile phone in the application YouTube. Everything is very simple, you just need to follow me step by step to avoid any mistakes. And so, going into the application YouTube, choose the video that you need to loop. Then click on three dots next to the title of this video and immediately click on the Save Playlist. Then you can watch your playlist or already finished playlist. But you need to create a new playlist and add this video to it. Also, when creating a playlist, you need to enter its name and make this playlist public or private. After you have created the playlist and added this video to it, click on the image of your profile and click on playlists. Then find the playlist in the video you want and click on it. When you go in, you just need to turn it on. After all these actions, when you turn on this video, you can see the little arrows. These are the options, shuffle and the loop. And now you just need to click on the loop option, and on that the video will be repeated time after time until you stop this feature. Thank you all for watching, I hope it was useful for you.